download this application, this website rather, and I'm using Google AI Studio. So I just got the source code and then I put it into Google AI Studio, and now the studio is rewriting the code, making it better, and adding a few things that I have requested to be added to the main design. So I don't know where these I see an error being output. I don't know why. Here a few blah 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 blah. Let me try to fix, because there are some errors that we encountered while running the code, but let's see if that can actually be fixed. So it is what it is. This is Google AI Studio, and I like to use it to actually create websites. So it's an amazing tool that you guys should really uh, look at, because it is very interesting for you guys who do love vibe coding. Okay, so now when it finishes building, I will try to go to the preview section. Okay, now I am under the preview section, and it seems the error is gone, because I see on the preview that the website is able to load, yeah, as per the preview. Now what I'm gonna do, rather, I am going to actually go to the full screen, and this is how our website looks like. Okay, this is how our website looks like. Amazing, amazing, eh? Yeah, so this is our website. It is amazing, amazing. So you see the logo is still loading, but let me actually try to reload the app and see what will happen. Okay, now let me try to leave the full screen, and then I'm going to go to the code. Then I go to the standalone section, which is this one, and then because this is the one that actually has our application, so I'm going to click here, and then I click on download, and then after downloading I will just go here. Let me wait for it to finish up. Okay, now I need to go to, okay, I want it to first finish from here. When it is done, I'll just click on open and see whether it is going to open. Okay, this is amazing. You can see that our logo is actually on, and these are some of the pictures I've actually just added. Yes, with the pictures, blah blah blah. This is amazing, very amazing. Yeah, this is how I actually wanted it. Amazing, amazing. So now what I'm going to do, I need to go to the file manager, so that I need to go to the file manager, so that, okay, now this is my hosting, and I'm using a spaceship. So I'm going to locate the website on the server. Okay, so I've got a couple of domains there, but then I need to locate the website, which is Google copy. So I'm going to click here, okay, and then go to files, and then click on manage files, and then under manage files I should be able to upload an updated version of the website. Okay, I should be able to upload an updated version of the website, and I am going to do it right here, right now. So it is trying to load. We just have to be patient. The internet is kind of slow. So what I'm going to do, I need to delete what is here. So I click on okay, select all, and then delete what is here, skip, do this. Okay, now I'm going to go to upload, and under upload, this is what I'm gonna do. I am going to click here and then drag the standalone HTML file. Okay, so the file is there. Now next is I'm going to check its location. Now what I'm going to do, this is what I'm going to do, guys. You forgive me, my network is kind of slow, but we should be on the same page. Okay, so now this is the standalone file like this, with the source code that we've got from the website on AI Studio. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click and then rename this file as index.html. So you click on index.html and then click on rename. Okay, so click on rename and then reload. Yeah. So now I should be able to open the freshly designed website. So what I'm going to do, let me actually switch. Let me do this. Let me switch Wi-Fi. And then I need to look out for hi-fi. I think this one has a better connection. And then okay, so next step is okay, hi-fi is connected there. Now I'm going to open a new tab like this and then type chinchizi go green coffee .com, then hit enter and then click on reload. Oh, is it the right website? Is it the right website? No, it's rather .org. So I'm going to do this and then go like this. I think we should be able to have a good website, but then this is not the updated version. So what I'm going to do, okay, I need to do the reload, and then after reloading, because I want to see whether the changes I've made will be able to reflect. Okay, I need to be sure. So I'm going to do Control A, Control C, and then I'm going to open this in incognito mode, then do like this, Control V. Let's see whether we're going to have new changes. Okay, yeah, this is what I wanted, guys. So this website, you see I've added a logo which is here, and then if you try to scroll down, you notice that I've added these pictures. Originally they were not there. So this website is completely powered by AI. I used AI to actually create it from A to Z. Amazing, with very good pictures, like you can see, very amazing. So with AI you can be able to create something very beautiful like this. Very beautiful. I hope you guys can believe that this design is amazingly beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Amazing.